how to send MS Word file to Gmail, how to attach MS Word file in Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can send MS Word file to Gmail or through Gmail. Now the process is quite simple. If I open up my file here on my file manager here on downloads, you can see I've downloaded a couple of files here, and on documents, this one you can see the MS Word file document. Now, the first thing what you'll have to do is download the MS Word file into your desktop or save the copy to your computer. Once you do this, what you want to do is head into your browser, any browser that you want, and on the search bar search in for gmail.com. Now make sure to log into your account. If you aren't logged in, here you can see I'm already logged in. What you're going to do is take your mouse cursor at the left hand side of the screen and then click on compose option. You'll be able to compose new message here. Now on to simply add in the recipient here, add in the recipient's name, and on subject you can add subject here, and you can compose mail here. You can type in anything if you want. Or now to add attachment or to add MS document file, what you're going to do is here at the bottom of the screen you can see the attached files icon. Simply click on it and you'll be able to browse through your computer. Head into the folder where you have downloaded the MS Word file. In my case it's on downloads, and here you can see this document. Simply click on, once you select it, click on open, and it should open up down below here. And now once it loads up, you can simply send it. So this way you can send MS Word file to Gmail, or you can attach MS Word file in Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.